Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another candle and wax review. So we're going to run through this fairly quickly. I'm just going to jump right into it with the Walmart candle. And this is from Mainstays. These are 93 cents, I believe. Maybe 97. It's in the scent Mulled Cider. 3-ounce candle. I absolutely love this scent. Mulled Cider is amazing. It's a strong scent. Very fall and wintry in my opinion. I absolutely love this scent. I did not get to burn it completely down because it had a crack in the jar. But I will scavenge the wax out of here and use it in my wax burner. And also to go with that is also from Mainstays, and I have the Mulled Cider wax cubes. Once again, this was like 97 cents, so under $1. Very nice waxes. These have really great throws. Not all the scents are great, but the Mulled Cider, I highly recommend trying the Mulled Cider out. It's a very strong, nice scent. Moving on to DollarTree, I have the Berry Bread Pudding. I just got done burning this last night. It had a very nice throw, very nice berry scent, and I actually really loved this one. It was pretty strong, and I always love these little jar candles. The next one from the DollarTree I have is the Caramel Apple Moonshine from the Old Williamsburg Scented Candle Company. All these are 3 ounces from the DollarTree as well. And this burnt very nicely. As you can see, the scent is very nice, but when it comes to the throw, it was barely there. You had to be right in the kitchen to smell this candle. But still, overall, love the packaging, love the stickers on there. I think these would make cute little gifts. Always say that because I think it's true. These jar candles look more pricey than $1. I'll do some little crafty things and make them look even more expensive. But this was nice, but the throw wasn't super loud. Wasn't out there. One last one from the DollarTree. I have the Airfresh Cashmere Woodlands. In the past, I've done a full review on the Airfresh candles. These are comparable to Glade. It suggests that they are, and they are. I've had the Glade ones, but I actually prefer the Airfresh candles to those. These are 3-ounce candles from the Old Williamsburg Candle Company, and nice, cute packaging as well. Very similar to Glade. Burns. They always burn really nicely, and to me they have really great throws. I actually really enjoyed this Cashmere Woodlands over the past week or so. It smelled great. I love it. So I'm going to repurchase that for sure. That was very nice. And the last and final candles I have is from the Dollar General. So these are 3-ounce candles too, I believe, and this packaging has seen better days, but it was from Perfect Harvest Pumpkin Spice Latte. This smelled so good. Such a nice throw, nice burn, and I believe that you can't really get this scent anymore in the store, but very nice, and these scents usually come around just exclusive to fall. Very nice though. Same with this one. I have a couple holiday candles, vanilla gingerbread scented, 3-ounce candle, $1. It had no lid or anything like that, but very cute packaging. This would look cute in a gift basket. And the scent was there, the throw was there, nice gingerbread scent. This is probably one of the most like gingerbread scents I've ever had in a candle. It just smelled so good, and I regret not picking up multiples because I know they don't have it anymore. This one is Sparkling Cinnamon. Very cute packaging. Only $1, 3-ounce candles. But as you can see, it did not burn great. It didn't burn all the way down. And the scent was faint to be a cinnamon candle. So I was a bit disappointed with that. Last candle I have is, I believe, in one of their permanent kind of lines for the Dollar General. I'm not entirely sure about that, but this is the Mahogany Teak Wood Calming and Warm Naturally Infused Scented Candle with Essential Oils. 16 ounces. This was $5 or $6 at the Dollar General. And let me tell you, not only is the packaging cute, it comes in a frosted, nice big jar. And it burnt all the way down. It smelled amazing. If you like manly, cologne, woodsy kind of scents, Mahogany Teak Wood, you cannot go wrong. I love Mahogany Mahogany scents, and this is amazing. This candle was great. So that's all for this edition of candle reviews. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links. And like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so very much for watching.